Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the ZTE Blade A53. So when I have a problem with a watch or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button for a few seconds and tap on restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the power mode, and how to activate power mode you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for devices, but it's still not for your phone. Go to the settings, slide down to the system and tap on the rest options. As you can see, we have a network settings, so the Bluetooth is included here, so just tap on it, tap on rest settings and tap on this button again. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so go to the system update of course. If you have any, just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone or another Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.